Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Welcome back to Cook and Share. If you know me, I love chicken. As a matter of fact, I should be wandering around clucking and call me Colonel Cluck. But I decided to do this bruschetta chicken, just incredible. A great keto diet, just wonderful in general. Let me show you how to do this and let me walk you through it. Okay guys, I'm going to kick things off here with some fairly hefty chicken breasts. And these are boneless, skinless, about a kilo. And I'm going to add these to my baking pan. Or a casserole dish, I guess. And to this I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, one of my all-time favorite vinegars. A teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Sometimes this is hard to get, so I make my own, and I'll put a link to the recipe. 2 cloves of minced garlic, and about half a teaspoon of salt just to bring out those flavors. And of course, I'm not even going to say it, my all-time favorite, what is it? Ground black pepper. And I'm just going to flip this over until the breasts are completely coated. And I'm going to let this sit, I'd say for about 10 or 15 minutes. Now our chicken is sat a spell. I'm going to slip this into a 425 degree Fahrenheit, about 220 Celsius preheated oven for about 25 to 30 minutes until it's cooked through. Well, the chicken is cooking. I'm going to make up the bruschetta by adding a cup and a half of cherry tomatoes, which are cut in half. A small chopped onion. I like red onion, but I didn't have one on hand, so this will be just fine. Half a cup of basil, fresh from the garden. A teaspoon of balsamic vinegar. A teaspoon of olive oil. 3 cloves of minced garlic, just to keep the vampires away again. Now I'm going to take 2 spoons and toss this up until it's nicely combined. This smells good, guys. Sorry for the noise. After about 25 minutes or half an hour, the chicken is nicely done. So I'm going to take some of that ooey gooey mozzarella and spread it over the top. And what I've got here is about, I'd say 3/4 a cup or so. Next up, I'm going to take my bruschetta and just place it around and over the top. Then we go back into the oven for about 5 or 10 minutes, just until the cheese is melted and the tomatoes are heated through. After about 5 minutes, the cheese is melted, the tomatoes are beautifully heated through, and it's done. So there you have it, guys, our bruschetta chicken. Simple, easy, you're gonna love it. You gotta try this. Okay, now for the taste test. So let's go ahead and cut into this. This is so good, guys. The tomatoes, the cheese, the spices, the chicken just comes through. I just love it. You gotta make this. For the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of great stuff over there, and I'll put a link in the description section below as always. Thanks for watching, thanks for subbing, and see you next time.